In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing the Quora Pixel on your website. First, navigate to the Pixels and Events tab in your Quora Ads Manager. Click on Set Up Pixel and then Next. Copy the base pixel code by clicking on it. Then, paste this code between the head tags on every page of your website. This is crucial for tracking conversions. Next, we'll set up tracking for specific events to measure and optimize towards the conversion events you care about. Under Event, choose a label that matches your desired conversion event. Copy the appropriate event pixel code based on whether you're tracking page load events or inline actions. Paste the event pixel code immediately after the base pixel code for page load events or inside an event handler for inline actions. Don't modify the code. You can choose to pass back conversion values by using the code under For Events with Conversion Value. Replace the placeholder with the actual conversion value. To verify conversion value passback, use your browser's dev tools. Filter network requests by qquora.com and look for a query parameter like NV, your conversion value. Check the status of your pixels on the Pixels and Events tab. It will show the firing frequency of your base and event pixels in the last 15 minutes. If a pixel is inactive or shows no events, perform a test conversion by navigating to the relevant URL or triggering the action. Wait a couple minutes and recheck the Pixels and Events tab. By following these steps, you'll have the Quora Pixel up and running on your website, enabling you to track conversions, optimize campaigns, and get the most out of your advertising efforts on Quora. Happy tracking!